8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slow. How do you do this? You start with basic 1 while doing Tarashina. So on the 1, I step 1, pressure for the girl on her back, connection with the belly, and then release, and she makes 2. This looks like this. 1, 2. And then I stop here and I make 3, 4. Micro Tarashina. 3, 4. It's a touch, it's not even a push. No leading. It's just soft touch from the belly or from the back. When the guy does this, you have 3 options, girls. Either you do what the guy does, tap, tap, if you can. If not, just do anything. And the third option, you can do what you want. You don't have to do tap, you can do tap, tap, tap if you want. Okay, good. Then we do the same on the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we step forward in diagonal down. 5. 5. Toma. Which means Toma is not just a going down, it's with flow. I go up and make connection on the leg, then I go forward, open my leg, and then I release with the thigh. With this thigh, with the right leg, I'm leading it. With the hips a little bit, guys, and the girls go with the hips to the side in diagonal backwards. What my right hand does here, and I'm not pushing, I'm not leading there, I'm just following her motion, which feels good for the girl. On her hip, not on her back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I step. 5 is a step. Then I go break and watch this transition. Leg is closing. Leg is closing. From down, I also go up, push on the thigh. Don't push on the feet. Connection here. So we have 5, connection on the thigh, and push 6. Block, break, no body weight on the leg. Then I tilt the body, say 6 and 6 and 6 and while I'm releasing I go down, down, up, pushing the girl in syncopation. And 7 and block again. 6 and 7 and 8. Go back in the light. So when we finish this 7 and 8, the girl, because she feels here pressure and then release, she does. While she's doing the left, she feels the pressure on my body and on my leg, which is saying push, push, and then this push here, with the thigh, outside the field. Good, we arrived here, then we transition the body weight, 1. On the 2, I turn the girl with the left, and opening the right hand like a door for her, so she can turn. 2, and at the same time I give her the elbow, styling for the girl. So we go 2. I pushed here, so she has a spinning motion, now I complete the spin by pushing here, 3, and then I stop on the break 4, before she puts body weight. I make a tap, and then I go 5, 6, watch the girl, 7, and a small, and 8 syncopation to finish. Small, not this, and 8. The smallest, the better. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.